Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to fix iPhone shows camera is being used by another application will FaceTime in iOS 14. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Tip number 1. Turn off apps that are using camera and turn on them. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down. Tap on privacy. On the privacy page, scroll down, tap on camera, turn off all apps. Then wait for few seconds and turn on all apps. Tip number 2. Restart your iPhone. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap on journal. On the journal page, scroll down, tap on shutdown. Now slider to power off, slider to turn off your device. Then wait for few seconds and turn on. Tip number 3. Turn on camera under screen time setting. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap on screen time. On the screen time page, scroll down, tap on content and privacy restriction. Tap on all apps. Turn on camera. Tip number 4. Force restart your iPhone. iPhone 8 and 8 Plus, press and hold the side button. Press and quickly release the volume up button. Press and quickly release the volume down button. iPhone 7 and 7 Plus, press and hold the side button. Press and hold the volume down button. iPhone 6 and 6 Plus, press and hold the side button. Press and hold the home button. Thanks for watching this video.